Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can reverse a song. Let's start.
Put this in reverse and tell us what you hear.
For this you need InShot application. Open InShot. Go to video section. Tap on plus icon. Select the video you
Put
want
this
to
in
reverse.
reverse and tell us what you hear.
Cut the video from where you want to reverse. Select the cut video and go to reverse option. Tap on reverse option. Your video is now reversed.
Reverse and tell us what you hear.
Why you always in the mood? Fucking around acting brand new. I ain't trying to tell you what to do, but try it.
Thanks for watching the video. Like, share it, and subscribe.